To install a theme on Joomla, follow these steps. Download the Joomla theme. First, find a Joomla template or theme. You can download free themes from the Joomla extension directory or purchase premium themes from providers like ThemeForest or Joomla Shine. Access Joomla admin panel. Log into your Joomla admin dashboard by navigating to yourdomain.com/administrator. Go to Extensions menu. In the admin panel, go to Extensions, Manage Install. Upload the theme file. If you have the theme as a zip file, click on the Upload Package File tab. Click Choose File, select the downloaded zip theme file, and then click Upload and Install. Activate the theme. Once the theme is installed, go to Extensions, Templates, Styles. Find the newly installed theme in the list and click the star icon next to it to make it your default template. Customize the theme. You can now customize the theme by going to Extensions, Templates, Templates. Here you can modify colors, fonts, layout, and more based on the templates options.